Good morning students and welcome to the Maths Lab class. In today's class we are going to do a special activity and the activity is based on your chapter Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor. So the objective of this activity is to make factors of a given number and show them in the form of rectangles. And the material required is we require crayons, sketch pens and math paper with squares. Right? So now moving on to the presentation part. First of all we have factors of 6. So children, I am here going to make factors of 6 and for this I have taken a math paper, a paper with squares. And now as you can see on my screen here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 squares I have taken in a single horizontal line. So this is the first factor of 6. 1 6 are 6. And the second arrangement is for the factors 2 3s are 6. So for this I have written the first number 2 in the vertical line 1 and 2 and the second number 3 is written horizontally 1 2 3. So this rectangle represents the factor 2 3s are 6. Now moving on to the next number, here we have factors of 8. For this again a math paper and now I have to show 8 in a single line because the first factor of 8 is 1 8s are 8 because we know that 1 is the factor of each and every number. And the second representation is 2 4s are 8. So as you can see here, to the first number is written 1 2 vertically and 4. The second number is written in the horizontal line 1 2 3 and 4. So these are the two rectangular representation of the factors of 8. Now moving on to the third number and that is 18. So let us learn how to make factors of 18. As you can see here again 1 18s are 18 is the first factor of 18 shown in a horizontal line. Then we have here the second factor of 18 that is 2 9s are 18 shown in the form of a rectangle as you can see here. And here children, one more counting number if I take that is 3. So in 3's table I have 18 as 3 6 are 18. So this is the third possible factor of 18 and these are the three rectangular representation of the factors of 18. Now students, moving on to one more number and that is 20. As you can see, this is the first factor of 20. 1 20s are 20 and next we have 2 10s are 20 and the next number if I take 3, 20 we do not get in the table of 3. So what I have to do? Next number 4. So 4 if I take in 4's table I have 4 5s are 20. So the first number again in the vertical line and 5 in the horizontal line. So this is the rectangle. We show the representation of 4 multiplied by 5. Moving on to the next number. We have here factors of 24. So first factor as we know is 1 24s are 24 And the second factor is 2 12s are 24. And the third factor is if I take the counting number 3 and in 3's table where we have 24, at 3 8s are we have 24. So this is one more factor of 24. And if I take the next counting number, I have 4 and 4 6 are 24 is one more factor. So these all are the possible factors of 24. Now children, moving on to my last slide, and here I have taken the number 30 and we are going to make all the factors of 30. So see here, first comes my one counting number, and so 1 30s is 30. Next comes 2, and in 2's table we have 30 at number 15. So 2 15s is 30. And next counting number is 3. And in 3's table we have 30 at tens. So 3 10s are 30. And in the 4, yes, if I take the counting number 4, we do not get 30 in the table of 4. So we skip 4 and move on to our next number 5. So next factor is 5 6 are 30. So these are all the possible factors of 30. So I hope children you must have understood the concept very well, and now comes out the homework part. So what you have to do is, in homework you have to make all the factors of the numbers 12, 15 and 16. I am again repeating, you have to make all the factors of these three numbers and then show them in the form of a rectangle as you have seen in the video, and then send this homework in your respective Maths Lab group. So that's all for the day. Thank you.